Why do 70% of travelers forget something essential? Meet the solution. Introducing the SSVK Traveler's First Aid Kit. It's not just any kit, it's your all-in-one travel buddy. Packed with everyday essentials like toothpaste, toothbrush, comb, soap, shampoo, hair oil, moisturizer, shower gel shaving kit for male and sanitary pads for female, etc. It also takes care of medical emergencies like headache, muscular pain, diarrhea, giddiness, motion sickness, minor injuries. Whether you're on a family vacation, business trip or backpacking adventure, the SSVK Traveler's First Aid Kit has got you covered. For more details, contact SSVK Health and Education PVT located at Ganesh Leela CHSL, Sarvodaya Paradise Complex, Thane East, Maharashtra 401107. Email us at ssvkhealthandeducation25@gmail.com or call +919 billion 821 million 150,000 221 7 billion 977 million 887,669. Visit our website at www.ssvparamedics.com. Travel well, stay safe with SSVK.